Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. Today we are going to demonstrate lab X86 Emulator. For lab X86 Emulator, Amirul Hussain will be explaining lab A and Abdullah Adli will be explaining lab B. And for lab B, we need to write a program using the X86 assembly language to demonstrate the following features, which is to print the team name and individual student's name on console. And next, we need to create two options, which is option one. If the button one is clicked, then the top four LEDs will be switched on. And for option two, if button two is clicked, then all of the bottom four LEDs will be switched on. So for the first step, we need to set up the screen. And as you can see, there are info 1, info 2, info 3, and info 4. These will be used as the variable to print on the console. So info 1 is used to print the team name on the console, and info 2 is used to print the student's name on the console, and info 3 and 4 will be used to print the option 1 and option 2. Next is the wait for button. So for the wait for button, the wait for button is used to wait for the external interrupt from the user, whether if the user want to choose button 1 or test 1 or test 2. And if after the user choose whether test 1 or test 2, the program will be terminated through the shutdown. And next is the test 1. So for the first 8 line, this will change the color of the 6th row of the screen in the console. And next, we also set up a timer. For after 10 seconds, the program will be terminated on its own. And next step is the next part is the program will the top 4 LEDs will be switched on, and the bottom 4 LEDs will be switched off. And for next, the program will be terminated as well. And for test 2, the same as test 1, the top 4 for the first 8 line, this will change the color in the 7th row on the console. And we also set a timer for 10 seconds to which will the program will terminate on its own after 10 seconds. And for the next part, for the last part, the LED, the bottom 4 LED will be switched on, and the top 4 LEDs will be switched off. And the the program will be terminated. It will be shut down. And to demonstrate the program, we need to open. We need to open window hardware and console. And after running the program, you can see all the variables being printed on the console. And as you can see, team name, the team name is Chupapi, student's name, and the two options. So if the user wants to press button 1, which it will turn on the top 4 LED lights and then switch on the bottom 4 of the LED lights. As you can see, the top 4 will be switched on, and the color of the 6th row will be changed as well. And after 10 seconds, the program will be terminated on its own, and we need to run the program again. And if the user chooses button 2, let me run again. If the user choose button 2, the bottom 4 LEDs will be switched on, and the 72 will be changed as well. And that's all for lab B. Thank you very much.